Today, I'll show you how to close a Wave accounting account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Wave accounting, whether it's because you're switching to another platform or simply don't need the service anymore, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's make this as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, let's start by navigating to your Wave accounting dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right-hand corner of your screen. You should see your business name or your profile avatar icon located there. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and settings. Now, within this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the section labeled either Managing Fields or Profile Settings. Sometimes, depending on the version or updates, it might also show as your email address or your name right at the top of the menu. Clicking here will bring you to your personal user profile page. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your account, and it's where we can proceed to close your account. Once you're on your user profile page, you need to locate the tab that says Close Account, or in some versions, it might be labeled as Delete User Profile. This is usually found in the menu layout options. Just scroll through the menu until you find this tab. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. As you can see, the process is quite simple, but it's important to make sure you're on the right page and clicking the correct options. Closing your account is a significant step, so double-check that you've backed up any necessary data or information you might need in the future. Wave accounting doesn't allow you to recover your data once your account is closed, so it's a good idea to download any reports or documents beforehand. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully closed your Wave accounting account. Remember, if you ever decide to return to Wave in the future, you can always create a new account and start fresh. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in walking you through how to close your Wave accounting account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Have a great day.